nauseous breath coming from you behind the door. Alright, today we are going to be on the Nature Channel with Nigel, and I don't know what I'm going to be, but she's going to be Nigel. That's Nigel. Yeah, Nigel. And I'll just be Blake, because that's my name. Alright. Previously on the Nature Channel, we were going into the deep, luscious jungles of Los Angeles, California. Today we are investigating this strange network known as terrorists to search for the ancient species of furby.
My furby's in the car.
She says the local has said that she has spotted a furby in a nearby car. May we go through your car to search for this furby?
Maybe later.
Maybe later, she says. So within 2 hours we have returned to seek for more help. We have found another local, and it appears she has known to have a pet species in her closet. We're going to go investigating and see if we can find it. I'm in the closet right now. Be very quiet. Takes very, very, very much. What? It appears there might be one hiding in this bathroom. Let's go and look for it. Turn on the light switch. Okay. Let me just check this. No, nothing in here. But just to make sure. I think I hear one screaming. I'm glad we have eliminated that one. Let's look inside the shower. Ah! Oh, there's a furby in there. Alright, these furbies are very dangerous. I'm gonna have to spy on it. Where'd it go? Don't tell me. Oh. Oh Lord, I've been wounded.